Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over really local to the centre in Bolney village, and this is a distinct upgrade from the one that was here before. An old baker's kestrel summer house of ours. We're around about 22 years old, 24 years old. We've now upgraded to this fantastic birthday present for the client, a 6 by 3.7 kite, pre-designed in all of our latest materials. All the old wooden stuff has gone. Sitting here is a really lovely new building for them, principally a pottery room, but doing multi-purpose space for the whole family. In the black, I really love that, and it really reflects the property well. Side window in here, and a lot of groundworks was carried out and landscaping that you almost can't see now. So the old paving all been put back down perfectly by Tom Manville and the team, as we've actually done plumbing as well as the electrics in here. All the front glass as usual in the black. Integrated blinds with the black frame, and then the espresso blind that you can see there is really lovely. Big French doors, as you would expect from our kite, and all of the usual stuff. 50-year life expectancy, 10-year guarantee in the V100 front. Now inside, say, principally actually used as a pottery room. So around here, the client is just starting learning, so she's really enjoying that space. The integrated blinds are great, so when you get all the mess on the wall, the windows, it doesn't matter. They've painted the internals themselves in a really nice colour. So this is Farrow and Ball sap green, and because we needed plumbing in here, and then I actually thought maybe we could use it as a guest room as well. We've then got the toilet in there as well, so we've done a lovely little toilet setup. You've then got hot water tank sitting under there, and then it's providing hot water to both elements. And then you've got the sofa here, and we're going to have a kiln put in here and some other bits, but they're working on that. This is just an open space, and actually their son's just about to come back from time away and going to use it as an office. They've just set up a little desk in here, so that multi-purpose space is going to really evolve. We've got some landscaping to be done as well here, but yes, I was just literally down the road, just thought we'd pop in and share this one with you. Cement wall to the back and the right, with that MTX to the front and left, and it's a serious upgrade from the old Kestrel's office, and we always love repeat clients. Rare because our buildings are made so well, but with it being so old, and just wanted a new space for a birthday present, I've got to say, not bad one, is it? So there you go, that's a 6 by 3.7 kite, pre-designed in the black finish, with those lovely elements, say principally as a pottery room. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. Thank you for watching.